Watch this man, how he paid the price. This woman was selling birds in a cage. He paid the woman the price. Watch him open the cage and set all these birds free. Watch. Set the birds free. See how the birds are coming out, happily rejoicing. This is exactly what Jesus did for us on the cross. Jesus paid the price of our redemption and set us free. Accept Jesus and be free today. Surrender your life to Jesus. Jesus paid the price. Be free. See, some of the birds are refusing to come out. That is how some people are. They hear the gospel, they don't want to come out. Believe the gospel. Jesus set you free. Be free today. Be free. Jesus has already paid the price for our redemption. I believe on the Lord Jesus. I am free and free indeed. Jesus shall reign forevermore. He must reign forevermore. I say my Lord must reign forever. Jesus must reign.